things. One, just I guess finding out that I could actually do something that I never would have expected I could have done until I came here. You know, just being able to very quickly master the skills necessary to convert something into what we finished with, which is an amazing, you know, barrel bar. I just would never have thought that possible. And just secondly, it's just such a difference from you know, things I do in a day-to-day life, that actually doing something completely different that kind of took me away from just the normal you know, day-to-day work and so on. It's just been really enjoyable. It's really special, and I guess, you know, when it was bought for me as a present and then we decided to do it with the two of us, I guess we kind of thought that's the way it would work, but you know, probably not actually knowing just the significance of it now that we've got the barrel and the two of us built it, you know, and it'll be there for years and years and years, you know. Absolutely, definitely. I mean, again, I think, you know, it's something different, completely different, you know, and really enjoyable. And but you end up with, you know, so many experiences you have to experience, and then it's over, and there's nothing after that apart from the memory. This, you have the memories, but you also have this amazing, you know, bar, but also heirloom that you know, is just going to have a special place in our home. So, you know, there is the enjoyment of actually doing it, but then there's the fact you've created something really, really personal, and you know, that nobody else has got, the one that you've done, that you can then kind of keep forever.